Malaria is an infectious disease that is transmitted by the bites of a mosquito. I look for potential breeding sites using drone and satellite images. I analyze them using artificial intelligence. Remote sensing is a very powerful tool to see into these very isolated communities. We are working with teams in Tanzania and Peru, which are malaria endemic areas. Locating these breeding sites is a very challenging task. I grew up in Peru and I conducted fieldwork in the rural environments, and I've seen how people in these communities have to travel several hours just to get healthcare attention. I like working here in the ARC because the community of researchers is very active. The university is very good to work in these multidisciplinary teams because they have people from different backgrounds. When we have meetings, we have different point of view. The ultimate goal of my research is to reduce the transmission of malaria. Malaria is the cause of death of many thousands of people every year, and it affects mainly young children and pregnant women. So to diminish the transmission of this disease will have a big impact. My name is Fedra Trujillano, and I work in the field of Earth observation here at the University of Glasgow.